1, 2, 3. Oh, look at the rust.
But the body's still here. Look at this. It's an R8.
I've never seen one like it. It's a Renault 8.
I can't believe it's still here. What have we here?
Well,
Yeah, definitely a challenge. Looks like it's been here a while.
there's the manifold you mentioned. Yeah. Let's get a closer look at this timing belt.
All right, here's the engine. It's a mess, but
We can do this. Where should we start?
first we clear all this debris. Okay, let's get this seat out.
Wow, look at that rust.
Let's get this out. Almost there. Got it. Finally. Got it. It's heavy. Just watch your step.
Right behind you.
Got it. Man, that was tough. Nice work. Here, let me give you a hand with that. Oh man, look at this. All right, got it. Just a little further. We can fix it. Come on, you bastard. Finally.
Señor, ¿cómo vas? Rediscovering.
Little to the left.
Just a bit more.
Okay, stop. Looks good.
Lower it down.
It's in. Perfect. Careful with the paint.
Got it. Right there. Perfect.
Looks great. Time for the final touch. And that's it, running smooth. Come on, baby. Run.